What would you say if I told you the architecture, engineering, and construction industry was not just full of writers, but great writers? The AEC Literacy Project is founded around this key belief, that the success of our critical industry can be measured through our ability to communicate ideas through writing. The AEC Literacy Project began with a discussion question. Why is recruitment and retention a consistent challenge for firms in the AEC industry? In simple terms, there is no single answer to this question. The topic of recruitment and retention is complex. This very question is what led many cohorts down the paths to their own projects. This is also where our project began. The work we do in the AEC industry is vast and varied, and the result is a diverse range of experiences and understandings. However, even within such a large industry, there are still threads that can bind this range of experiences and understandings. These things can be leveraged as mechanisms of change. Research in literacy, language, and communication tells us that writing plays a significant role in how groups like the AEC industry accept and maintain new members and achieve shared goals. Email, Slack, Teams, evaluations, reports, PowerPoints. The way we write tells us quite a bit about how and why we operate. Ultimately, by defining these characteristics, we can learn quite a bit about how new members are accepted into and progress through our group, and about how we achieve our shared goals. The AEC Literacy Project will leverage this understanding of our writing and language skills as a mechanism of change, using it to inform ongoing recruitment and retention programs, develop new approaches, and support educational programs. The first step in the project is establishing a base of research to help develop the concept of AEC literacy, focused around two questions. What does writing look like in the AEC industry, and what does it mean to be a successful writer in the AEC industry? We need your help in answering these questions, and have developed several resources to make it easy for people from all over the industry to share their experiences. We also have a 1-hour virtual seminar called the Midday Survey, which is an interactive research experience that encourages AEC professionals to take pride in their writing abilities. Now, if we could only get on stage somewhere, in front of people who have proven themselves to be both bold and successful decision makers. Maybe somewhere warm? Probably near a beach. Definitely in front of the most successful firms in the industry. Where could that be?